Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder here to decode the secrets hidden within official filings. And for our latest episode, we're diving into a company that is making waves in the digital asset space. It seems our friends at CaliberCos Inc are charting a course through the exciting world of crypto, and we're here to find out exactly what that means for investors and everyday folks. Before we plunge in, if you value clear, straightforward breakdowns of complex financial news, make sure you're subscribed and join our growing community on Discord. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. So what we have here is a really quick update from CaliberCos Incorporated, a Form 8. This is like a company S immediate bulletin board for important news that the public needs to know right away. And typically these filings aren't T-dense with numbers like a quarterly or annual report, but they give us a snapshot of significant events. The key date here is the 23rd of September 2025, and that is the day this announcement was made, or the information that is being shared became official. This filing is all about CaliberCos Incorporated, often shortened to Caliber. Now, CaliberCos Incorporated trades on the Nasdaq stock market LLC under the ticker symbol CWD. That is how you'd find them if you were looking to buy or sell shares. An interesting detail right off the bat is that CaliberCos Incorporated is identified as an emerging growth company. This means they likely get to use some relaxed reporting rules, something many newer companies leverage as they grow. The main event in this filing is under item 7.01. which is all about Regulation FD disclosure. This regulation ensures that all investors get the same important information at the same time. No one gets an unfair advantage. Alright, here is the big news. CaliberCos Incorporated announced on the 23rd of September that they be chosen Coinbase Prime to handle their digital asset trading and custody. This is a pretty significant move. It means they are getting serious about managing digital assets like cryptocurrencies as part of their business strategy. This is what they call their digital asset treasury, or DAT strategy. Basically, they are setting up a way to hold and manage digital assets as part of their company, S Financial Reserves. The filing includes the full press release as Exhibit 99.1, which we can assume contains all the official statements from the company about this partnership and their strategy. This part just tells us what other documents are included with this filing. And yes, confirmed Exhibit 99.1 is that press release giving more detail on their Coinbase Prime partnership. Exhibit 104 is the technical stuff, the cover page in a format that computers can read easily, which is pretty standard for these filings. And the report is signed off by John C. Loeffler II, who is the Chief Executive Officer of CaliberCos Incorporated. This shows that the company's top leader is aware of and approves of this announcement and the strategy behind it. So what does this all mean for CaliberCos Incorporated? Well, choosing Coinbase Prime is a big signal they are clearly embracing digital assets as a core part of their financial operations. Coinbase Prime is a respected platform for institutional investors, meaning big players, and it suggests Caliber is looking to operate in this space with a high level of professionalism and security. This move positions them to potentially benefit from the growth and volatility of digital assets. Now, for a bit of external context, CaliberCos Incorporated is involved in alternative investments and wealth management. Their move into digital assets could be seen as a way to diversify their offerings and tap into a new asset class that is gaining mainstream acceptance. However, it also brings new risks. Digital assets are known for their price, volatility, and the regulatory landscape is still evolving. This means Caliber is stepping into a dynamic and potentially unpredictable market from an investor's perspective. This filing tells us that Caliber is actively pursuing a strategy involving digital assets. It signifies a commitment to innovation and adapting to changing financial markets. This isn't just a small experiment. It appears to be a deliberate strategy to build a digital asset treasury. Looking at potential strengths, Caliber is partnering with a major player in the crypto space, Coinbase, which brings expertise and infrastructure. However, the inherent risks of digital assets like price swings and regulatory uncertainty are significant challenges. They need to manage these risks carefully to ensure this strategy benefits the company, rather than exposing it to undue harm. In my opinion, Caliber appears to be taking a forward-thinking approach by integrating digital assets into its core business. This could be a smart move to attract new investors and stay competitive in the evolving financial industry. However, the success of this strategy will heavily depend on their risk management capabilities and their ability to navigate the complexities of the digital asset market. Alright, that is our quick decode of this CaliberCos Incorporated filing. What are your thoughts on their move? into digital assets and their partnership with Coinbase Prime, let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, please hit that like button to support the channel, subscribe for more dives into the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next. Decode.